Hi guys, it's me, and today we're looking at a projector that focuses on delivering strong performance in real everyday situations. This is the ViewSonic LSD600W, and it's built for people who need reliable brightness, flexible setup, and long-term usage without the usual complications. The first thing that stands out here is the brightness. With 6,000 lumens, this projector is clearly designed to handle environments where lighting can't always be controlled. Instead of struggling in bright rooms, it maintains a clear and visible image. Whether it's a meeting room, classroom, or even a living space during the day, the picture stays usable and easy to see. That's a major advantage compared to lower brightness models that require dark conditions to perform well. This model comes with WXGA resolution, which is 1280 by 800. It's not pushing ultra-high resolution, but it focuses on delivering consistent clarity where it counts. Text is easy to read, slides look sharp, and videos play smoothly. For presentations and work-related tasks, this level of detail is more than enough. At the same time, it can handle casual entertainment without feeling limited. One of the most important features here is the laser light technology. Instead of relying on a traditional lamp, this projector uses a laser source that's built for durability and efficiency. That means longer lifespan, fewer maintenance concerns, and faster startup times. You don't have to deal with frequent replacements, and the projector is ready to go almost instantly after powering on. Setup is another area where this device performs really well. The 1.3x optical zoom allows you to adjust the image size without physically moving the unit too much. On top of that, both horizontal and vertical keystone correction help you align the image properly even if placement isn't perfect. There's also support for 360-degree projection, which gives you more freedom in how and where you install it, including ceiling or angle positions. Connectivity is simple but effective. With dual HDMI inputs, you can connect multiple devices at the same time. This is especially useful in work environments where switching between a laptop and another source needs to be quick and hassle-free. It's a practical feature that improves everyday usability. The design keeps things clean and straightforward. It's not overly compact, but it's not bulky either. It feels like a device built for consistent performance rather than style. The cooling system does a good job of maintaining performance, and while there is some fan noise, it stays within a reasonable range for most environments. For home use, this projector can still deliver a satisfying big screen experience. If you want a larger display without investing in a high-end television, this is a solid option. It works best with some control over lighting, but thanks to the high brightness, it remains usable even when the room isn't completely dark. This projector is a great fit for users who prioritize brightness, durability, and ease of use. It's ideal for business presentations, educational settings, and even mixed use at home. Instead of focusing on extra features, it delivers strong performance in the areas that matter most. Overall, the ViewSonic LSD600W offers a dependable experience with powerful brightness, long-lasting laser performance, and flexible setup options. It's a straightforward solution that gets the job done without unnecessary complexity. If you're interested in this projector, make sure to check the link in the description below to find the latest pricing and availability.